Hello there, welcome back to our channel. On today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Twitter account. So Twitter is a quite popular social network. Just like Facebook, you can find lots of influential people, celebrities, politicians, and lots of amazing content on Twitter. So once you have an account, you can simply log into your Twitter and you can start using. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. So you can type twitter.com on your web browser, or you can simply search for that and click the first link. So this is the page that will open once you type twitter.com, and on the top right you can see the login. Also you can see the sign up, and yeah, so these are the options that are available on this default homepage of Twitter. So we are trying to log in, right? So I'll simply click on this. So on the next page you have to enter your login details. So you can see they do have three different options. You can enter your phone, you can enter your email, or even you can enter your username as well. I have created my account using an email, then I picked up my username while creating my account, then a password, and then I was able to create a Twitter account. But the case might be different for you, such as you have created your account using phone. So in this case, what you can do is you can simply enter your phone, then your password, and then you can just hit this login. All right, cool. So let's get started. So I'll simply enter my login details and I'll just hit login. So I have entered my username and then password. Instead of this, you can just simply enter your email, or you can phone as well. So once you enter these details both correctly, and you can simply click on this login option. So within a second you'd be able to log in. Now this is kind of Twitter feed, and yeah, what's trending, hobbies, and if I click on this, I would be able to browse all the tweets from this particular interest. And so this is the basically the Twitter feed that will come after your login. Yeah, it's quite simple. If you click on this, you can log out from your account right here, or you can add another account. Yeah, so what we did is we just go through twitter.com, we enter our login detail, and we were able to log into our Twitter account. Thank you so much for watching.